Can we get alight motion on our PC? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can get alight motion on our PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who do not know what alight motion is, it is a program for creating animation graphic videos on your Android. Now, it's mostly for Android, but you do not actually have a software of alight motion on the PC version. So to use your alight motion on your PC, what you'll need to do is simply search for alight motion PC, and after you search for that, you'll find the alight motion's website. So this is the website right here, and you will see right here that you can download it completely free on your Windows and Mac. So you can scroll down, and after you scroll down, you'll find the download option. As you can see, the download option, sorry for the pop-ups. As you can see right here, this is the download option. Simply tap on download and it should start downloading, and you should be able to set it up just fine. So that is the first way you can download alight motion for your PC. The other way that you can still use alight motion is by using emulator. So after you use an emulator such as Bluestack, you will be able to use it on mobile environment on your PC. So yeah, that is how you can get alight motion for your PC. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.